Are you ready to take charge of your financial future? Whether you're curious about the stock market, real estate, or passive income streams, this video is your ultimate beginner's guide to investing. Let's make your money work for you. Introduction to investing. Investing is a powerful tool for growing your wealth over time. Instead of letting your money sit idle in a savings account, investing allows you to buy assets that can increase in value or generate income. Whether it's through appreciation, dividends, rental income, or interest, investing helps your money work for you. A key advantage of investing is the ability to benefit from compound interest, where your returns are reinvested to generate even more returns, creating exponential growth over time. This makes starting early a significant advantage. The importance of investing lies in its ability to help you achieve long-term financial goals. It protects your money from inflation, which decreases its value over time, and provides a pathway to financial independence. Whether you aim to buy a home, fund education, or retire comfortably, investing is essential for building the wealth needed to make these goals a reality. While investing does involve risks, having a clear plan and understanding your risk tolerance allows you to balance safety and growth effectively. Starting your investment journey is easier than ever, thanks to accessible tools like online platforms and mobile apps that cater to beginners. You don't need a large amount of money or advanced financial knowledge to begin. Small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. With patience and a focus on long-term goals, investing offers a reliable way to build financial security and freedom. Stocks. Owning a piece of companies. Stocks are a popular and accessible way to invest by owning a piece of a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder, gaining a stake in the company's success. You can earn returns through capital gains when the stock's value increases, or through dividends, which are regular payments from the company's profits. Companies issue stocks to raise money for growth, and as an investor, you benefit by sharing in their long-term achievements. Investing in stocks is one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time, as the stock market historically delivers strong returns compared to other investments. However, stocks can be volatile in the short term due to factors like market trends and company performance. To manage risks, diversification is key. Spreading your investments across multiple companies or using tools like index funds and ETFs can help balance potential losses. Getting started with stocks is easier than ever, with many online platforms offering beginner-friendly tools and even options to invest in fractional shares. Researching companies before investing is crucial to make informed decisions. With patience and a long-term approach, stocks can be a powerful component of your financial journey. Real estate. Building wealth with property. Real estate is a reliable way to build wealth, offering two primary benefits: appreciation and rental income. Appreciation occurs when property values increase over time, allowing you to sell at a profit, while rental income provides a steady cash flow. Real estate is also considered more stable than stocks, making it an attractive long-term investment. For beginners, real estate investment trusts are a great way to invest without owning property, as they allow you to earn returns and dividends through the stock market. There are various types of real estate investments, including residential properties like houses and apartments, commercial spaces such as offices and retail locations, and real estate investment trusts. Real estate offers advantages like passive income, tax benefits, and portfolio diversification. However, it also comes with challenges such as high initial costs, ongoing maintenance, market fluctuations, and tenant management, which require careful planning and preparation. To get started in real estate, set a clear budget, research high-growth locations, and consider starting small with affordable properties or REITs. Building a network of agents, managers, and fellow investors can also provide valuable insights. While real estate requires patience and effort, it remains a tangible and effective way to grow wealth over time. Passive income. Making money while you sleep. Passive income is a powerful way to earn money with minimal ongoing effort after an initial setup. Unlike traditional income, which requires trading time for money, passive income streams work for you in the background. Common sources include dividends from stocks, rental income from real estate, royalties from intellectual property, digital products like ebooks or courses, and affiliate marketing commissions. While passive income isn't entirely hands-off, Setting up the right systems can generate steady earnings for years. The benefits of passive income are significant. It provides financial freedom by reducing reliance on a single job, builds wealth over time through compounding returns, and creates a safety net during economic uncertainty. Popular methods to generate passive income include investing in stocks or bonds, renting out properties, selling digital products, starting automated businesses, and earning through content creation platforms like YouTube or podcasts. Diversifying income streams further enhances stability and reduces risks. Starting with passive income requires an upfront investment of time, effort, or money, as well as a willingness to learn. Small steps, like creating a digital product or investing in dividend-paying stocks, can be an excellent starting point. Leveraging tools and automation can help streamline processes, and building multiple streams ensures stability. Although it may take time to set up and maintain, passive income is a valuable way to achieve long-term financial independence and greater control over your life. Tips for beginners. Starting your investment journey can seem daunting. The key is to begin early and start small. Even modest, consistent contributions can grow significantly over time due to compound interest. Educating yourself is essential. Understanding the basics of how markets work and different asset classes will help you make informed decisions. Resources like books, podcasts, and courses are great ways to expand your knowledge, which will build your confidence as you grow your portfolio. It's crucial to define your financial goals and assess your risk tolerance before investing. Knowing whether you're saving for retirement, a house, or financial independence will guide your investment choices. Diversifying your investments is another key strategy. Spread your money across various asset types to reduce risk. Beginner-friendly options like index funds or ETFs are a great way to achieve diversification with minimal effort. Lastly, staying consistent is the most important factor in long-term success. Regularly contributing to your investments, avoiding emotional decisions during market fluctuations, and thinking with a long-term perspective will help you stay on track. Leverage technology to make investing easier, such as using robo-advisors or apps that automate contributions. By following these tips, you'll set yourself up for a successful investment journey. Investing is a long-term journey, and success comes from patience, consistency, and commitment. Markets will fluctuate, but those who stay disciplined and focus on their goals will see the best returns over time. Even if you're starting small, the key is to take that first step and keep moving forward. Each small action today contributes to building a secure financial future, so don't be discouraged by starting with a modest investment. The power of investing lies in starting small and thinking big. Even with limited resources, small, consistent investments can grow over time due to the effects of compound interest. Whether you're investing in stocks, real estate, or passive income, each decision you make today builds a foundation for your financial future. The important part is to begin, remain consistent, and allow your investments to grow gradually. Ultimately, the goal of investing is to achieve financial freedom, the ability to live life on your terms without relying on a paycheck. By taking a balanced approach, diversifying your investments, and continually learning, you can create a resilient portfolio. Investing isn't about instant wealth, but about building a stable foundation that provides you with the financial flexibility to enjoy life on your own terms. Stay patient, take action, and stay focused on your long-term goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on mastering your money. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest investment goal? Let's talk about it.